I ordered 180 density. Where's the other half of the hair? Nowhere to be found. Alright y'all, so before we even get into this video, I just want to give y'all a disclaimer. The only reason why I'm posting this video is because I actually like how the hair turned out, like the top portion of the hair. Everything else, like, this hair is missing quite a few bundles. So I got this hair from Wild Angel Hair. Not bashing anybody, I really am, because y'all play with my coin, my hard-earned money. Like, I don't give a I bought this unit from these people. I bought a 180 30-inch unit, 13x6 lace frontal, full frontal, not a lace front, not the horseshoe crap, a full lace frontal. Tell me why. This is where my lace front starts, and this is where it ends, and this is how much hair that comes with the lace front, y'all. This is how much hair. This is literally, it's giving closure. Like, it's literally giving a closure, and it's so upsetting to me because it's really like these vendors and these people, and this is not just AliExpress, y'all. Like, people be fucking playing with your, like, with a regular person, everyday person coin, and I'm not here for it. So I'm definitely gonna give wigs a break, because I feel like my trust issues really come from wigs, bro, because every single time I order something, I always gotta have like my eyes peeled and wide open, because I just know it's gonna be some BS coming with it. So yeah, I just wanted y'all to know that I got got by Wild Angel Hair. I never thought I'd see the day, but I got by those people, and it is what it is. I'm gonna just, you know, leave them a nice big fat comment, because you know they love those. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video of me installing the hair, like the method that I use, not necessarily the hair. I'm not gonna tag the hair down below, because we are not gonna give them no more coins than they deserve. And yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all enjoyed the installation part, not the hair, okay? Yeah. All right, y'all, so now that the last coat of the glue is drying, I'm going to go ahead and put my wig on. I'm actually really nervous, y'all, because I put the glue on before I actually put the wig on my head, so let's see. I'm trying to get like a little estimate of how I'm gonna put this wig down, but we're just gonna eyeball it. All right, y'all, so now you guys can see this part of the lace is a little bit oversized, so I'm just gonna cut that. All right, y'all, so that feels really good. So now I'm just gonna take my elastic bands. All right, y'all, so as my hair is drying, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my part. I really don't know how this is going to go. I really just be eyeballing my side parts. So I'm parting the hair, I'm trying to part the hair, whatever the case may be, y'all, and I just can't get past this part. Tell me why they sewed on the tracks to the lace so that it looks like it's 13x6, bro. Like, what? Am I bugging right now? Do y'all see that? Alrighty, y'all, so we let that lace dry for a minute. Y'all see, even though these motherfuckers played me, my lace is always given. But I'm definitely gonna leave a review, like, cause what, y'all, this is not even a real 13x6. It's a lab created 13x6. Like, why don't you just send me what I'm paying for? Like, why the hell is that so hard? Like, oh my gosh, these freaking companies be wildin'. Not gonna lie, y'all, look at that. I used a precise tweezer to get my lace looking like this. Y'all see what it's giving. You see what she's giving. Okay. So I act accordingly, but this is so refreshing.
refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stairs, couple texts.
Usually I would go in, put foundation on, then my Ebin spray, but today I'm gonna use my baby, the Ebin tinted lace. I haven't used this in a really long time because my lace looks orange from the foundation. I don't want to put more foundation on it and make it look more orange, so I'm gonna use my mini travel sized Ebin hairspray, and then after I let it dry down, it's gonna have a gray white cast. Then I'll go in with baby girl and she's gonna be a 10. Per the instructions, we're gonna mold the mousse in. I'm using matte Ebin products, y'all. Alright, y'all, so now I'm about to work on the baby hairs. As y'all can see, I'm just fake molding it to see exactly how I want the hairs to lay. I'm not cutting it too short, and I'm not gonna leave it too long. Like, I'm gonna get these stragglies out the way. So I'm gonna pluck this side. Now it might not come all the way properly plucked out because I had to go in and dye my roots, because again, y'all, I over bleached my knots like real bad. So as my mini curler is heating up, I'm just gonna go ahead, a little bit of wax, just a tad bit of wax. Now I'm gonna go in using my Too Faced concealer to get my parts together, y'all, because we all see what's going on. All right, y'all, let's get right into it with the hair. So first and foremost, usually whenever I finish installing my hair, I'd be like mad excited, I'd be mad hype, I'd be mad like overjoyed, because who doesn't love a good install? So upon doing my hair, or upon getting my side part together, I noticed that I couldn't. This is supposed to be a 13x6 lace front unit, like a full front unit, right? I noticed that as I was trying to do my part, I couldn't go down further than a certain part, because back here, you guys can't really see it because I covered it with concealer, but they sewed on extra lace to make it seem like the wig was a 13x6 when it really isn't. I believe, or I feel like they cut out the horseshoe part of the wig and sewed on extra lace and made it seem like it was a 13x6 unit. That's number one. Number two, I keep feeling like something is off about the hair, like there's not enough volume, like something is missing, and that's because there is. I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna just brush out my hair for y'all right now. So you're looking and you're probably like, why the fuck are these parts so straggly? Initially I thought they were straggly because I put too much oil in the hair. It turns out, literally, I don't even gotta do much. It turns out that that's just the lace front of the fucking hair. So the rest of the hair is just like non-existent. Like there's no hair on this fucking lace front. There's literally nothing on this lace front. So my hair is like mad thin. This hair was supposed to be 180 density, y'all. Y'all see my fingers? This is supposed to be 180 density. Definitely gonna leave a lovely comment under their page, because I don't like when businesses try to one up you or try to like play you with your coin and your money, because okay, the lace is cute, the lace is nice, whatever, I could get this lace from anywhere. Why the fuck, why would you cap about the hair? Like, matter of fact, let me show you guys me actually. I'm gonna show y'all the receipt. So I spent $330 on this unit. Let me show y'all the one with the picture. So I spent $330 on this unit. This is what it was supposed to be, 30 inches. My overall purchase was right here. It was supposed to be 30 inches. Y'all can't really see, let me see. It's supposed to be 30 inches, 180 density. Y'all can't see it that much because of the lights and shit, but it was supposed to be a 13x6 frontal wig, 30 inches, 180 density. This is more like 100 density, 30 inches. Okay, cool. And this is not a 13x6 fucking frontal, y'all. So be very careful when you're purchasing with these people, because obviously they're fucking scammers. Never again will they ever get my coin. I've done nothing but talk highly of this brand because every other wig that I've purchased has been great. I don't know if I just happen to be a part of the groups that get bad batches, y'all, but I cannot stop looking at this. Like, this is fucking this is crazy. Like, all I gotta do is literally grab a section to know that it's the like, this is mad embarrassing. Like, super over it. So yeah, y'all, 0 out of 10 stars from me.